sånt skött i Vantaa ravurinpuisto.
Vad var Järves? Kaviokuja 6 tekis.
Yeah.
Hästhovsgränden. Tässä siinä Hakunila Håkansperällä Vantaalla on Helsingissä Vision was in Finland. It was built in 1990, according to the bunker. It's not only as these photos are 305 cars Schindler with similar pictures. Still original. With cell phones. Stop button and the open button. Built in 1991, so this is early 1991, 1990 to 91. The serial number is 442281 and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Turning 30 years old this year and it's also 21. And that's one indicator. It's very nice. We thought this was much older.
Yeah.
I thought this was from the 1980s, like early or mid 1980s.
Yeah.
But this was finished in early 1991.
Yeah. Inspekteetpaakki vai suhteen meidän paikka on.
The codes to this residential building are completely impossible.
Yeah.
But I think also we know that in the neighboring residential building 7 is the same as this maybe.
Yeah.
It looked similar. So I think it's the same.
Yeah.
If we don't get there today, then we can at least presume that it has this as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching. That's it. And let's hope we'll get it tomorrow. This day.
That's
the 3